This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Imagine waking up, surrounded by the emerald waters of Vietnam's Halong Bay, its limestone karsts standing like ancient guardians. Wander through hidden caves that echo with the whispers of history. Taste authentic Vietnamese cuisine on a floating village, fresh seafood with flavors you'll never forget. And here's a secret. The best months to visit are October to April, when the weather is perfect. Travel without limits. Halong Bay is safe, inclusive, and welcomes explorers worldwide. Feel the jade-green waves lapping at your boat. See the golden sunsets that feel like they're straight out of a painting. Skip the usual tourist traps. Discover the uncharted corners of Halong Bay where serenity awaits. So, what's next on your list? Drop your dream destination in the comments. Subscribe to Destination Travel, your passport to endless adventure.